Deal is right, the respect is world's a mess. Goddamn! Held captive by hopes and dreams. Our best intentions can destroy us. We should have grabbed ourselves away. Take a break, we need to maintain. Power, power, it's always been abused. Worked in poverty, taxes, and off suppressive rules. Power, power, just might never change. No answers will come from our bloodthirsty ways. Commiserating has run its course. We'll save the world tomorrow. We'll have to wait until that day. We'll wait, we'll wait. But in the meantime, let's celebrate that we don't give a fuck. Let's celebrate that we don't care. Let's celebrate that we don't give a fuck. With the middle finger high in the air. Let's celebrate that